There's some big things that we do that can save a lot of dollars. Namely, hats off to our maintenance crews and the in-house training we do so that when the AC breaks or there's a plumbing issue, we're not picking up the phone to dial that third-party contractor who's going to be triple the cost of an employee on site that's already trained well to do that. That moves the needle big time. But like you said, there's all these little areas where we can save $1 here, a nickel there, 50 cents here, through just being really world-class operators. And those nickels and dimes and dollars add up. And as some of our investors know, every time we add $1 to the bottom line annually, the asset is worth $20 more. And so if we do that enough, and again, it's paired with a great market where we know rents are continuing to rise, those are the aspects that drive those value-add returns for our investors without taking the risk of buying an older asset, doing big renovations, and hoping that we can double the rents.